CSS for our image area. We'll go over some of that here. There's an ET overlay border none. By default, down here when you hover over these image with an overlay, ET or the theme was adding a border, a 1 pixel border, at least the version that this was built on. And so I'm just getting rid of that because I didn't like it. I like just the solid color there. And then it looks like, oh, down here on the grid, we're changing some of the orders on, or the widths on tablet and mobile. So the gallery module here on tablet, we're taking it, it's 4 across there. On tablet, we're taking it to 3 across. And then on mobile, we're taking it to 2 across. And that's all done right here. So if you want the default gallery, you would just, get rid of this, or just override it and put in, if you wanted 4 across on tablet, you change it to 25%, or 100% if you want this just 1 on mobile. But I think what we have is pretty good. All right, so let's keep going with that. Image 1, image 3 is the only one that has something here, so let's go there. And it looks like on tablet, we're just setting some padding bottom for the row to give it equal spacing, is what we're doing on tablet. And so that, outside of the gallery stuff that we talked about, is it for images.